On day number 5, what a marvelous sight! God filled up the seas and the skies with delight. He made the great whales with a flap and a splash. They flipped through the water with a thunderous crash. Then came the fish, oh so shiny and quick, some tiny as pebbles, some chunky and thick. They wiggled and darted through oceans so wide. In schools they would travel, or sometimes just glide. Next came the birds with a flutter and squawk. Some waddled like ducks on a slow little walk. Geese honked and flapped as they flew through the breeze, and settled near lakes and the rivers and trees. But not all the birds liked the water and shore. Some wanted the forest, the sky, and much more. So robins and wrens built their nests up high, and eagles soared proud through the wide open sky. God made them all feathered, flappy, or finned. On the 5th day, with joy, his great work was grinned.